Learn how to make cheese slice toast, tricolor colorful sandwich, and ginger lemongrass steaming hot tea. Nutritious tricolor sandwich with lemongrass and ginger tea. For the tricolor sandwich, we require 4 pieces of sandwich bread. Then apply butter to 3 pieces. On each slice, spread the different mix. Let's learn how to make beetroot mix. Have a glimpse of the different ingredients required. Heat oil, add mustard seeds, chopped onion, tomatoes, and stir for a while. Then add beetroot, desiccated coconut, salt to taste, mix well, cook for some time. Cool and make a fine paste. Let's have a look at the potato mix. Heat 2 teaspoons ghee, then add 2 mashed boiled potatoes, salt to taste, and half a katori of milk with cream or coconut milk. Then cook till it thickens and cool it. For the green paste, have a look at the ingredients. We require half a katori boiled green peas, a few coriander leaves, a few pudina leaves, 1 or 2 green chilies, salt to taste, and chaat masala. Make a fine paste in a mixer. Wow, look at the colorful paste which we are going to use for the sandwich. Spread butter on 3 slices of bread. Spread the 3 paste on the buttered slices. Now press the sandwich firmly and cut it into 2 halves. Look, our colorful sandwich is ready. Enjoy it with steaming hot ginger lemongrass tea. Let's learn how to make cheese slice toast. Ingredients: bread slices, butter, and cheese slice. For the filling, we need finely chopped onion, coriander leaves, 1 or 2 green chilies, and jeera, ghee. Spread onion coriander mixture on the cheese slice and cover it with a plain slice and press firmly. Brown both the sides by using ghee or butter. Gas toaster will also do. Tea recipe see in the description box. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.